Welcome to House Hunting HQ. Today, we're taking a closer look at an incredible opportunity in the heart of Brooklyn, New York. This mixed-use building at 726 Nostrand Avenue is priced at $1,799,000 and offers an impressive 6,688 square feet of space. Whether you're a savvy investor or a business owner looking for the perfect space, this property is worth a closer look. Built in 1931, this property is located in North Crown Heights and features 6 residential units above a large commercial space. The building stands 4 stories tall, and the lot size spans 3,045 square feet. The property also offers potential for future expansion, with 2,447 additional square feet of buildable space due to its R6A zoning. Now let's talk about the real highlight, the commercial space. With 2,554 square feet of wide open space on the first floor, this is a dream for any business owner. The space was previously a hair salon, but with no interior supporting walls, it can be transformed into a completely open layout, perfect for a restaurant, bar, or retail venue. With 800 amps of electrical power and venting already in place, setting up a commercial kitchen would be a breeze. There's even 484 square feet of outdoor space attached to the commercial unit, ideal for extra seating or expansion. Don't forget to like and subscribe to House Hunting HQ for more exclusive property tours. Above the commercial space, you'll find 6 rent-stabilized one-bedroom apartments. Each apartment is well-maintained, with excellent ceiling heights and spacious layouts. The tenants have a history of paying on time, and the building's record with the HPD is outstanding, making this a solid investment opportunity. For those interested in investment, this property offers a great opportunity. At market rates, the commercial space could generate a 6.8% rate of return, making this property a potential jewel in any portfolio. The listing has been active for 426 days, which could mean there's room to negotiate and make this property yours. If you're looking for a massive, versatile property in Brooklyn, 726 Nostrand Avenue could be exactly what you need. With its mix of commercial and residential space, it's a great find for investors or entrepreneurs. Be sure to contact us for more details or to schedule a tour. Thanks for watching House Hunting HQ. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more property tours and real estate insights. See you next time.